Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mamp. So let's go to Google Chrome. I'm going to go to the address bar. We're going to click in the address bar and we're going to type in download Mamp and hit enter. We're going to click on Mamp and Mamp Pro downloads. We're going to click on Windows and then we're going to click download. Alright, now my page here says 1 minute left, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I will return once it's done downloading. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, welcome back. So Mamp is done downloading, and now I'm going to click on the executable. I'm going to double click on it, and if you get a pop-up window asking for permission, click yes. And then you're going to get another pop-up with this. Select setup language. So we're going to pick English. It's going to ask if you want to install Mamp Pro with an addition to Mamp. You can install Apple Bonjour. That's fine too. I'm going to click next. I'm going to accept the agreement and click next. It's going to show you where it's going to save. So it's going to save the Mamp folder in the C drive. We'll click next. I already have it installed, so it's going to overwrite what I had before. I'm going to click yes. Select startup menu folder. Yeah, Mamp is fine. We'll click next. And do I want to create a desktop icon? Yes, I do, so I'm going to click next. And we'll click install. So this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video again, and when it's just about to the end, I'll come back. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. So it's just about done installing now. And there we go. So setup has been complete. So let's click finish. And in the next video, we're going to get started on learning HTML. So I'll see you there.